The intent of my project is to demonstrate Newton's laws of motion using rockets made from polyethylene terephthalate, also known as PET plastic. These rocket bodies are more commonly known as 2-liter soda bottles. The fuel we will be using is a pressurized mixture of hydrogen dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, argon, as well as relatively small amounts of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, helium, neon, and krypton. In this experiment, we will observe all three of Newton's laws. First, we will see that a rocket remains at rest until we apply force via release of stored energy contained within the pressurized vehicle. We will then see that the body in motion remains in motion until the force of gravity causes the rocket to reach a peak altitude and then return to the surface of the Earth. In Newton's second law, we will observe that force applied to the body produces a proportional acceleration. We can state this as the equation force equals mass times acceleration. And finally, and most obviously demonstrated, is Newton's third law that for every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. The release of pressurized fuel mixture from the nozzle at the rear of the rocket propels the nose of the rocket in the opposite forward direction. This propulsion is not reliant on the fuel pushing on the ground or air surrounding it. It is in fact directly attributed to Newton's third law. If we were able to conduct this experiment in the vacuum of space, we would see upon release of the pressure, the rocket would indeed be pushed forward with a force equivalent to mass times acceleration, and that the rocket would continue on its trajectory for millions of years unless it was acted upon by another body in space.